criteria for selecting the right tool. For me, there are four criteria which I look into when I want to subscribe to any tool or if I want to buy a particular tool. I'll tell you, I've been in this industry for almost 5 years now. I have used many tools. I've spent a lot of money on that, which I really don't want you to be the victim like me. So I'll tell you the criteria of selecting a tool. So whenever I choose a tool, I look into first aspect as, is it easy to use? Is it user friendly? Easy to use means I don't want things to be too complicated for me to get a result for one particular purpose. So I always look into this part that it should be easy to use and it should be a user friendly. I don't have to waste too much time just to learn how to use a particular or specific tool. The second criteria that I look into is the features and functionalities. I'll give you example over here. Like, for example, if I'm looking for email autoresponder. So the main purpose of that email autoresponder is whenever a person gets into my list, email list, he should receive automated emails. This is the main and first and foremost purpose that it should solve, right? But when I'm looking for a tool, I look for additional functionalities and additional features. What I mean by additional functionalities and additional features. See, me being an online automation trainer, I believe in automating things. So I will always look for additional functionalities. I will look into, like, they have a workflow sort of thing. If a particular person gets into my list and if he opens one email, then he should receive this specific email. If he doesn't open the previous email that I have sent, he should receive another alternative. If he is clicking on any link on in my email, then he should receive another email. I need to have the automation not only in terms of autoresponder, but in terms of, like, it should work as an artificial intelligence for me. Okay, it should be an AI tool for me. So I can use multiple functionalities and features to automate my system in much better way. Third thing that I look into is the integration capability. Let's take example of autoresponder again. Apart from autoresponder, I'm using a funnel builder also. So I have to look into things like if it is easy for me to get the connection done between these two tools. So I may use various tools. So I will always look into the integration capability if they are going to get integrated with each other, because that is going to help me automate things in a much better way. So this is the third criteria that I look into. And the fourth criteria that I look into is pricing. Pricing is the last one. Again, as I said, the best tool does not need to be expensive one, but the best tool can be cost effective as well. Okay, it can be value for money. So these are the four criteria that I look into.